I'm going to share the eligibility requirements for the Amazon Influencer Program so you'll know exactly what you need in order to join the program and start earning money reviewing products as an Amazon influencer. I'm also going to share one interesting thing that I've started to notice among a lot of people who've been getting denied for on-site placement, but we'll talk about that in a little bit. So unlike the Amazon Associates Program, the Influencer Program requires you to have an existing following online, either on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. Now, they don't tell us exactly what the criteria is, but a lot of people have speculated, it's like a minimum of 1,000 followers and having some sort of decent engagement metric. But there's really no point in speculating because you can literally just go to the website. I'll link it in the description below. You'll get an automated response either approving you or denying you for the program. But there's a much more important approval process that you have to go through after that first step. So what exactly do I mean by that? So when you get approved as an Amazon influencer, they give you your own page on Amazon. It's called your Storefront, and you can post pictures, idea lists, and videos. But the thing with your Storefront is no one is going to it. You have to drive traffic to it from your existing following in order to get people to engage with your content and earn commissions. So I've actually been an Amazon influencer since 2018, and I've been absolutely kicking myself for not knowing what I'm about to tell you. So as an Amazon influencer, you can apply for what's called on-site placement. And this is where Amazon will take your content, so your review videos, and show it on the actual product page of the product that you're reviewing. So this is absolutely insane because this is Amazon's traffic of people who are on a specific product page where they're most likely about to buy it, and they're showing your content and giving you the opportunity to earn a commission if someone buys the product after watching your video. So when you first sign up for the influencer program, you're going to see a lock icon on your dashboard to unlock on-site commissions. It's called earned on-site commissions. Now, in order to unlock that, you need to upload 3 videos that have to follow a very strict criteria. And once you upload those 3 videos, someone at Amazon will manually review them and determine if you're eligible for on-site placement. Now, here's the thing that's really interesting that I've been starting to notice on Reddit and on Facebook among people who have applied for on-site placement and have gotten denied, even though they've got like really good content. They've got really good review videos. What I've done is I've clicked on their social media links on their storefront, and I noticed that a lot of those people who are getting denied have like these really random social media accounts. There'll be like some random business Facebook page, or it'll be like a generic interest Instagram account where they're just posting pictures about horses or something. You know what I mean? Like just some random interest topic type social media. So I think, and this is complete speculation here, I think Amazon is more looking for kind of influencer type social media accounts where, it's featuring an actual person who has their face on camera or, in photos and stuff on social media, kind of influencing people about a certain topic or whatever. Now, if you're not based in the United States, I'm pretty sure you're still eligible to apply for the influencer program. There's actually influencer programs for each country specific, not all of them, but some other Amazon websites that are like country specific. They each have their own influencer program. But the thing is there isn't any of them that have on-site placement like the US Amazon site does. So it's really in your best interest to apply for the influencer program in the US. So the Amazon.com influencer program. That way you can post review videos that get shown to the US audience. Now, if you'd like to learn more about how to apply as an Amazon influencer, I invite you to join my course at jungleinfluencer.com. So I've actually broken it up into 2 different modules where you can get the starter module that'll guide you through the whole process of applying and creating and uploading your first 3 videos, which are really important because you only, like I said, they get manually reviewed, but they also only give you 3 tries before they completely ban you from on-site placement. So it's really important to get those right the first time. And I walk you through all of a very strict criteria. We kind of go very safe, very conservative with the recommendations on your first 3 videos. And then if you unlock the entire full course, I pretty much reveal my entire workflow for recording, my criteria for choosing products, my research methods for finding highly profitable products that don't have a lot of competition. So if you want to check that out, again, you can go to jungleinfluencer.com or check out the link in the description below. All right, that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.